Telangana intermediate supplementary exams get cancelled. All students get pass 100%. As you all people are confused that the Telangana government will conduct supplementary examination for intermediate students or not, and regarding the betterment examination, what government will do. So in this video, we are going to talk in detail regarding TS Intermediate Supply Examination 2020. So before starting with the video, there is a small request from me. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for latest updates regarding the Telangana examinations. So yesterday, the Telangana Private Colleges Association head went to the Education Minister P. Savita Reddy ma'am and said that to cancel Telangana Supplementary Examination 2020 and promote all the students to their higher academic year. So they said that in this pandemic condition, the students cannot write the Telangana Intermediate Supply Examination 2020. So they had requested to the government to promote all the students without conducting any examination this year. So it is sure that the Telangana government will promote all the supplementary students of intermediate without conducting any examination this year, as the AP government has declared that they will promote all the intermediate students without conducting any examination this year. So regarding the betterment examination, so this year the government may not be conduct betterment examination to the first year students. The students who want to write betterment examination, the government may conduct the betterment examination in the next year. So in 1 or 2 days, the Telangana government will officially announce regarding the Telangana Intermediate Supply Examination 2020. So if there is any update regarding the Telangana Intermediate Supplementary Examination 2020, I will be updating on my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. So share these informative videos with your friends.